What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Ejisu, specifically Bonray in Ashanti Region. We do our beautiful video intercom system. Now, this video intercom system allows the client to operate this very gate anywhere he is in the world, and then also allows the client to be able to operate the gate inside. So when somebody presses on the doorbell, he can speak to the guest locally, and then remotely he can see the guest on his phone and then grant access to the guest. I'm going to show you how the intercom system works. Very, very beautiful, very, very great and great quality. Let me show you how it works.
Calling now. Please wait a moment.
So calling now, please wait a moment. Let's go inside. So it's actually ringing on this. Yeah, it's ringing here. This is the first screen. I can decide to pick. I'm going to show you the next screen. Let's go. Let me show you the next. So this is the second screen. It's going to ring again. All right. So I'm going to pick. Yeah, hello. We're shooting in Ghana. Is it loud and clear? So you can see very clean and very neat. I'm going to trigger the gate. The gate is over there. You can see the gate, right? So come over, come show them the gate. So that is the gate. I'm going to trigger the gate with the indoor unit. That is the remote. So all I need to do is to press here and click on this. Then you can see the gate is actually closing, right? So I'm going to demonstrate that. I'm going to demonstrate that again. I'm going to use the intercom system to operate the gate. So I'm going to press on the power lock to get the gate to open, right? Now you can see the gate is in closed mode, right? So I'm going to open it. So you can see the gate. So you see the gate is closing, right? Yeah, if you have any intercom job, make sure you give us a call. We're in a crack, Master Tamale. Now we are outside Ghana, so call us now.